Hello guys, in this video I will guide you on how to screen record on the Redmi 15. Now luckily the Redmi 15 actually comes with an inbuilt screen recorder, and in order for you to screen record you just want to swipe down through the notification center, and then you want to swipe down to where you have all of this list of icons. Swipe over to the left hand side, and then over here you're going to see the edit icon. Just go ahead and tap on that, scroll all the way down, and you should be able to find the screen recorder icon as one of the list of inactive icons on your Redmi 15. So in my case, you can literally see screen record over here. You want to just long press on it and then move it into the list of active icons. So move it over here. You can see I just placed it into the list of active icons. These ones on the gray part of the screen are inactive, and to move it you just have to long press on it and then drag it into the white background where we have all of the list of active icons. Now once you've done that, you just want to click on the done button over here, and then you can cancel this. Now if you go ahead and just push your notification down and then to the list of active icons, if you swipe over to the left now, you're going to see the screen recorder icon, and to screen record you just want to tap on it. If it asks for any permission, just go ahead and give it that permission by clicking on allow, and now you have the screen recorder feature over here on your Redmi 15. So to screen record you just want to tap on this red dot, and automatically this feature will start capturing everything happening on the screen of your Redmi 15. Once you're done, you just want to click on the red icon again and then tap on it one more time, and just like so you can see that our screen record has been saved. To open it up, you just want to open up the gallery application on your Redmi 15, and over here you can see my recently recorded video, and I can go ahead and play it directly from here if I want. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel guys.